like the hat. Got the logo on it. It's got the blue icon you see on YouTube videos and so forth. And the reason I mention it is because we all need logos, and whether it's a band of players in the D&D game, or your Warhammer faction, or just your YouTube channel. And someone's asked me to make them a logo, so I thought I'd make it into a video and show you my process. My friend Peter, the courier driver, and who has his own channel, we'll link up there, and he's a little bit more successful than this, and like there's 6 of you watching this on a regular basis. He's got 10,000 plus subscribers, so it's a good reason to do a collab with him and share my process for making his company ID and logo. He's got a company and a channel making videos about truck driving and courier driving. Not quite parallels to this, but you know, diversity and all that. But his company is called the A-Team, but the A-Team, as in the A-Team.
And if you can find them, maybe you can hire the A-Team.
And so it's a very simple logo to make, and let me show you. Open the laptop, just the camera so you can see. The A-Team logo is that, and he wanted to make something that's similar to that. His company colours are green and blue, so there's the company logo he wanted. So all I've done is downloaded a stencil. So there's a background with nothing on it. There's text, type, and his company is E-Team Trucks. And I put that another line, okay, bigger than that down there, and that is it. I could just do that and be done with it. That's pretty much it. But, well, I went into a bit more detail. Take that off. I've done that. Basically, I put every single letter, the 1, the 8, the trucks, the limited, and the on the individual layers, set it out, and then took the background off. And I have this. Close that. When this opens, there's no background. So if you want camouflage look, all I've done is taken a piece of camouflage, dragged it into Pixelmator, like so. Hue and saturation change. This is similar to Photoshop. And in the replace color, picked a color, everything that's that green, add a color to it, a bit lighter, and turned it blue. Do the same again. A tedious thing of Pixelmator. Do everything individually, you can't just do it over and over again. That's a stupid thing. Okay, like that. And we have a blue camouflage. It looks like that. Now he bought a company ID logo that looked like this, and we can pretty much change that. We'll just get rid of this. Just get rid of all the random stuff to select. And type in there, type that like that. Director. He's the one driving. He's the one directing the truck forward. To there. And that's pretty much it. I will just add in the rest of the detail. Very quickly added in the details I've taken off screen, so you don't need to see it at the moment. But there's his company ID with the logo with the thing around it. You can print that out, no problem. Sorted. So that's one done. This would be a letterhead. 18 trucks, 18 trucks. Yeah, that's the logo on its own. But what about your logo or your company ID? A simple way to do it is to go onto something like this. Is my big secret. I'm revealing all my secrets. This is my Subotin. She's my usurper, and my Warhammer faction are the usurper's attendants. Let's make a brand name. I've done this before, you can tell. So you add in things. It's coming out with logos. And the usurper's attendants. Look at that. Straight away, boom, logo. That one has nothing. No. I like that. Messiness. I mean, that could be easily written on the pauldrons of all the Marines. Better. We'll find a few. Now see, does that look familiar? Yeah. When I did the SoloNic, this is kind of the original point of the logo. This was the simple thing. So let's edit this. Make it central. Orange. Oh no, make it usurpers, not me. I like the font. Background could be dark purple. Do I go gold? Icon. The icon could be gold. Boom. We now have, and look at that. In 30 seconds, look at that. Cool, huh? There you go. What's that? Total, including everything, 15 minutes. Probably took me a little bit longer just to fiddle about with getting that right and getting the shadows and so forth, but there we go. The 18 Trucks Limited. The Usurper's Attendants. And yeah, there we go. That's how to make a company logo, how to make a party logo, band logo, whatever. Yeah, one logo. Now all I've got to do is send it to Peter and see what he thinks, and maybe he'll come back and go, I don't like this, don't like that, but tweaking. And see how we go. Hopefully this was useful and entertaining in some way. I'm going to get on and spray a dragon now. I'll see you soon.